Have you ever wondered how to actually get ASCP certification? In this video, we'll take you step by step through the entire process. From choosing the right credential to maintaining it after passing, you'll get a complete roadmap to becoming an ASCP certified professional. Whether you aim to be a medical laboratory scientist, technologist in molecular biology, or a pathologist's assistant, this guide is for you. And don't forget, in our next video, we'll show you exactly how to apply for the ASCP exam using the BC portal. Step 1. Choose your ASCP certification type. The first step is to decide which ASCP Board of Certification, BC, credential fits your education and career goals. Some of the most popular certifications include MLS ASCP, Medical Laboratory Scientist, MLT ASCP, Medical Laboratory Technician, MB ASCP, Technologist in Molecular Biology, SMB ASCP, Specialist in Molecular Biology, BB ASCP, Technologist in Blood Banking, SBB ASCP, Specialist in Blood Banking, MASCP, Technologist in Microbiology, SMASCP, Specialist in Microbiology, HASCP, Technologist in Hematology, SHASCP, Specialist in Hematology, CASCP, Technologist in Chemistry, SCASCP, Specialist in Chemistry, PASCP, Pathologist's Assistant. Other specialized credentials include CG, CT, HTL, SCYM, SCT, DLM, and DMLY. Each credential aligns with a specific scope of laboratory practice. Choosing the right credential is essential because it determines your eligibility route and exam requirements. Step 2. Verify your eligibility route. Each ASCP certification has multiple eligibility routes. These combine your academic education, clinical training, and professional experience. You can find these routes in the ASCP BC Handbook of Procedures or on the ASCP website. For example, MLS ASCP typically requires a bachelor's degree in medical laboratory science and completion of a NACLS-accredited MLS program. MV ASCP requires a bachelor's degree in molecular biology, genetics, or a related field, plus experience in molecular diagnostics. SBB ASCP requires holding BB ASCP and completion of an accredited specialist program. International candidates can qualify through ASCP International ASCP routes. You may need to submit transcripts for evaluation through services such as WES or ECE. Step 3. Prepare your documents before you apply. Gather all necessary documents. These may include academic transcripts, clinical experience, letters of authenticity, proof of completed accredited programs. Having these ready ensures your ASCP application is processed smoothly. It also saves time when you start the online application in the BC portal. Step 4. Understand the application overview. We won't go through the full application in this video. That's for our next tutorial, how to apply for the ASCP exam. Here, we'll briefly outline what you need, confirm your eligibility route, upload required documents, pay your exam fees. All of this is done in the ASCP BC online portal. The portal guides you through each step, but having your documents ready is crucial. Step 5. Take the ASCP exam. Once your application is approved, you'll schedule your exam through Pearson VUE testing centers. Most ASCP exams have around 100 multiple choice questions. The exams last roughly 2.5 hours. They use computer adaptive testing, CAT. This means the exam adjusts its difficulty based on your answers. Answer correctly, and the next question is harder. Answer incorrectly, and the next one is easier. This ensures a fair measurement of your true competency. Preliminary results are available immediately, with official scores posted on the ASCP BC registry within a few days. Step 6. Receive your certification. Passing your exam earns you an ASCP credential. Your certification validates your knowledge, technical skill, and professional competence. Employers, accrediting bodies, and international licensing authorities recognize ASCP credentials worldwide. You can also verify your credential through the ASCP BC registry online. Step 7. Maintain your credential through CMP to keep your certification current. You must participate in the ASCP Credential Maintenance Program, CMP. This is required every 3 years. Earn continuing education, see credits through the ASCP Learning Center, workshops, or approved providers. Maintaining your credential ensures you stay up to date with lab standards, technologies, and best practices. Step 8. How to prepare the best way to pass the ASCP exam. Effective preparation is critical to success. MLSIacademy.com provides a complete ecosystem for ASCP exam prep. Here's how we help. 1. Live and recorded classes learned from ASCP certified instructors. They simplify complex topics and teach practical strategies. 2. 4 specialized Q-Banks, Q&A Q-Bank, concept building, quiz Q-Bank, daily recall, practice exam Q-Bank, timing and pacing, mock exam Q-Bank. Full exam simulation. Each question mirrors the CAT-style logic of the real ASCP exam. 3. MLC Academy Study Guide ebook. A concise, no-fluff reference based on official BC outlines. Covers hematology, chemistry, molecular diagnostics, microbiology, and lab operations. For personalized study planner, weekly schedules tailored to your exam date and progress. Integrates performance analytics and adaptive planning. 5. Mentorship and analytics. Track weak areas, focus study, and stay on course until exam day. In short, MLC Academy helps you study smarter, not harder, and pass confidently. Tips for choosing the right certification route. Consider your education, experience, and career goals. MLS ASCP for biology or chemistry graduates with hospital training. MV ASCP for molecular or genetics backgrounds. SBB ASCP or SM ASCP for those seeking leadership or research roles. Always verify eligibility using the BC Handbook or online verification tool. You can also explore dedicated playlists on MLC Academy YouTube channel. Common challenges for candidates. Many candidates struggle with confusion over eligibility routes, missing or outdated study resources, anxiety about CAT exams. Understanding which documents are needed. That's why using a structured platform like MLC Academy is crucial. Global recognition of ASCP certification through ASCP. Professionals from over 100 countries can earn credentials recognized globally. ASCP collaborates with CAP, CLA, and health ministries to ensure lab standards, accreditation, and workforce recognition worldwide. Your next step towards certification. Now you understand the overall process to get ASCP certified, from choosing a credential to passing the exam and maintaining it. To continue learning, check out our playlists on each certification. MLS, Medical Laboratory Scientist, MLT, Medical Laboratory Technician, MV and SMB, Technologist and Specialist in Molecular Biology, BB and SBB, Technologist and Specialist in Blood Banking, M and SM, Technologist and Specialist in Microbiology, H and SH, Technologist and Specialist in Hematology, C and SC, Technologist and Specialist in Chemistry, PA, Pathologist's Assistant, and more is coming each video. Explains exam format, eligibility, and best prep strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for our next video, How to Apply for ASCP Exam, step-by-step tutorial, where we'll guide you through the BC portal, document uploads, and fee payment process. For complete ASCP exam prep and mentorship, visit MLSIacademy.com, your all-in-one partner for success.